Next to chemical reactions. Chemical reactions of alkyl halides. So if you see bond energy order for carbon chlorine is more than carbon bromine, then after carbon iodine. So carbon fluorine reactions, if you see, they are difficult. So because high energy fluorine or not or substituted easily. So here bond energy order is like this. So reactivity is inversely. Reactivity is inversely proportional to bond energy. So alkyl halides are fastly react. So then these are participate in nucleophilic substitution reactions. The characteristic reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions. So alkyl halides, the nucleophilic substitution reactions are two types. That is majorly SN1 and SN2. So now we will discuss about SN1 and SN2 reactions. So SN1 reactions mean this is a nucleophilic unimolecular. One mean unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. So here characteristics, if you see characteristics. So the reactivity, alkyl halides reactivity, if you see reactivity. So tertiary alkyl halides more reactive than secondary alkyl halides than primary alkyl halides. So tertiary alkyl halides are most reactive. So here the intermediate is carbocation. Intermediate is carbocation. Intermediate is formed. So here in this case the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to only alkyl halide. So this reaction favors polar protic solvents. Favored by polar protic solvents. What are polar protic solvents? Like water, ethanol, you can take methanol. These are polar protic solvents. In these solvents, the SN1 reaction is favored. So in this reaction, this is two-step reaction. It can be takes place in two-step reaction. This is a two-step reaction, and here carbocation is formed. So rearrangements are possible. Primary carbocation goes to secondary goes to primary, changes to secondary changes to tertiary. If there is a chance. If there is no chance, there is no rearrangements. So because tertiary is more stable than secondary is more stable than primary, carbocations. These are carbocations. So now in this reaction there is racemization takes place. Racemization takes place. So these are stereoselective, non-stereospecific. Non-stereoselective, non-stereospecific. Non-stereoselective, non-stereospecific. These are all because racemization takes place. So one molecule not formed excess in general. Now, so if you see the real example, which stereochemistry I am taking. So this is the compound I am taking, C2H5 and C3H7. To this, if you use aqueous KOH, if you use, the product formation is here C3H7 plus CH3, here OH, and also CH3 OH, C2H5, C3H7. So if the initial compound configuration is if R, the product the similar configuration, this is also R, and opposite configuration S. This is also called retention of configuration. This is inversion configuration, this is retention. Initially if it is S, it will be forms S, then other is R. So this is a retention of configuration product. Retention of configuration, this is inversion of configuration. Opposite configuration, here chlorine this side, OH same side, chlorine OH right side, so retention. Then opposite configuration, inversion. So if you observe the mechanism for this compound, this path, so in this case, first before attacking the nucleophile, in the first step, before attacking nucleophile, chlorine is eliminated in the presence of polar protic solvents. Here polar protic solvents mean they shows attractions, so that's why chlorine pulled outside. Chlorine pulled outside because of attractions with the polar solvents. So here CH3, C2H5 and C3H7 carbocation intermediate is formed. This is a tertiary carbocation intermediate, very stable. This hybridization is sp2 and trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. This is a carbocation intermediate. In the first step, it is formed. Step 1, first step, carbocation intermediate is formed. In the next step, if you see, in the next step, the formed carbocation, this carbocation in the steps 2, the aqueous, from aqueous medium OH minus ion may be attacked from back side or also from front side. This is front side, this is the back side. With respect to chlorine, the back side and also front side. So two chances. So 50% here attacking or 50% here attacking. So our products also same 50-50 percentage. C2H5, CH3 and C3H7 OH, and also other product too, C2H5, C3H7 OH, CH3. So the 50-50 percentage. This is our racemic mixture. This is called a racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Racemic mixture formation takes place. Now, next, in this reaction, enantiomeric excess formation. Enantiomeric excess formation. Enantiomeric excess means one of the product is majorly formed. For the same reaction, if you take, so if you take 100 molecules, if you take 100 molecules of the alkyl halides, take 100 molecules. In this, some of the molecules before elimination of chlorine, some molecules of OH minus attack from backside. At least 3%, 3 to 4% nearly. So 3 to 4% of the molecule backside attacks. So we'll get 3 to 4 molecules CH3, C2H5 and C3H7 and OH. So inversion product is formed 3 to 4%. Mean out of 100 molecules, 3-4 molecules are participated in this manner. This is SN2 manner actually. So then what happened? This is SN2 manner. In SN2 manner, out of 100 or 3 or 4% of molecules attack from backside. So then here, for example, if 4% of molecules are participated, now we get 4 molecules of this, and remaining 96 molecules participate this way. So these are remaining 96 molecules. In the 96, so the 50% mean here 43 and here 43 molecules. So 43 of inversion of product to 43 retention of product. And already through SN2 mechanism 4 molecules are participated. So here 43% and 4%. total these inversion of product configure inversion of product is formula total of 43 plus 4 40 sorry so these are sorry the 50% mean here out of 96 molecules 50% mean how much here 48 percentage and here also 48 these are also 48 percentage so here already 48 and 4 total 52 percentage 48 plus 4 52 percentage here is form and 48 percentage here form. So overall the inversion of product formation is more because some of the molecules follows as SN to mean before formation of carbocation 4-5 molecules attack from backside, so the enantiomeric excess formation takes place. Then complete 100% racemization when takes place, here the groups are bulky. If the groups are bulky in this case, then backside attacking restricted, then 100% racemization takes place. Mean 50% this, 50% this takes place. When these alkyl groups, if R here in this case, the R groups are very bulky groups, tertiary butyl groups, tertiary butyl and isobutyl groups. If you these type of groups if you take, then 100% racemization takes place. So if methyl, su and ethyl propylo and there is a different combinations, the enantiomeric excess formation takes place. 100% racemization not takes place. 100% racemization takes place when you take bulky groups only.